a house business. This is a people business. I feel a successful real estate transaction is fashioned with the proper tool, experience, and expertise in real estate marketing and practice matter. Is to give my client clarified focus and help them realize the best way to look at buying or selling property. My purpose is not only to give a client honest advice and an alternative way to buy and sell real estate, but also to help a client have a fresh, more external focused mindset while they are buying and selling from the beginning. This is not only about buying or selling the house. It is all about understanding what the family needs are and helping them get exactly what they want to achieve their goal. I live and raise my kids here over 38 years in the Inland Empire. I have seen many things change. So your referral, those you know who is considering a move that we can help. We can assure that not only they will get the award-winning service we are known for, but also that a solid portion of our income we receive goes to a very worthy cause. Let us work together to help a community change life and go serve big. You can reach me at 909-910-1188 or visit my website at Li Li Hwang, homesellingteam.com. Thank you.